Assalamualaikum and good day, sir. My name is Abdul Hakim bin BASHA. Okay, so this is my first lab for module 1. The task is to blinking the LED light by using Arduino Uno. The component that I use is one LED bulb, one resistor, some of wire and also Arduino Uno board. I have uploaded some coding to the Arduino board to make sure that the LED is blinking. This is my coding for lab 1 for module 1. First is I use void setup, which is to declare my pin for the LED, and then I use void loop to set the process for LED to blinking. 3 is the pin that I use for the LED, and 1000 is the time I set for LED to blinking. Thank you. Assalamualaikum, my name is Abdul Hakim bin BASHA. Okay, next I will move to the lab number 2, module 1, which is to use multiple LEDs. Okay, for the connection, I use digital port and also ground. I use number 3, number 5 and number 8 port. Okay, this is the result, which is the yellow, red and green LEDs light up not simultaneously. This is the coding for lab 2 module 1. Void setup is I set up the pin that I use for the LED, which is pin number 2, number 5 and number 8. All these pins are digital pin. And then for void loop, this is to set which bulb or which LED want to be light up, which is number 2. High to light to make the LED to light up, and low is to make the LED turn off. Okay, that's all. Thank you. Assalamualaikum, my name is Abdul Hakim. We'll move to the lab number 3, which is using RGB bulb. Okay, if you can see at here is RGB bulb. We have 3 resistor and Arduino Uno. So this RGB bulb is common and not, since the ground are connected to 5 volt. If I connecting this wire to the ground, the bulb will not lighting up. Okay, this is the coding for lab 3 module 1. First is void setup. I use pin number 9, 10 and 11 for the RGB link, and then void loop, which is to set which link or what color of RGB that I want it to light up. So this is the result. Thank you. Assalamualaikum, my name is Abdul Hakim bin BASHA. Okay, now I will explain about circuit for lab 4. In this lab, we will produce red RGB color. Okay, if I press this button, it will light the red color. This is my coding for lab 4. Okay, in this coding, I had declared the button coding. Then void setup is I declare all the pin that I choose, and then at the bottom I had done some modification from the manual coding to light up the red LED color. That's all from me. Thank you. Assalamualaikum, my name is Abdul Hakim bin BASHA. Okay, this is for the lab 5. In lab 5 we are using one buzzer and then one resistor, one Arduino, and also breadboard. This is the coding that I use for lab 5. Void setup is to declare my pin. For void loop is the process for piezo to have beep sounds. For tone, 250 is tone at pin number 2, and 250 is high. When high, the piezo will make a beep sound. When no tone, 2 is the pin, and then no beep sounds. So when I connect the circuit, it will make beep sounds. Okay, that's all. Thank you. Assalamualaikum, my name is ABDUL bin BASHA. Next we'll move to the lab 6. Okay, this is the potentiometer and this is servometer. The objective for this lab is to move the servometer by using the potentiometer. The potentiometer had been connected to analog pin, while the servometer had been connected to digital pin. Okay, this is the coding for lab 6. In this coding, we are using the servo module to control the servo motor. Okay, the part pin 0 is the initial value for potentiometer. Okay, we are using digital pin number 8 for the motor. Then the void loop is the process to move the servo motor. So when I move the potentiometer, it will make the motor to move to. Okay, thank you. That's all. Assalamualaikum, my name is Abdul Hakim. Next is lab 7. The objective for this lab is to control DC motor and relay. Okay, this is 9 volt battery, this is DC motor, this is relay, this is Arduino Uno. Okay, I use the digital pin number 8 to connect the relay, then the battery and also the DC motor connected to the relay. 9 volt battery is to support the motor. This is the coding for lab number 7, module 1. Okay, void setup is to set up the module for Arduino and also to set up the pin that I choose for the motor and relay. Okay, void loop is number 8 high, which is to turn on the relay, and number 8 low is turn off the relay. Delay 1000 is to delay 1 second. So when I on, okay, the motor is moving. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you.